Officially licensed Five Nights at Freddy's merchandise. This Five Nights at Freddy's video game backpack is a guaranteed officially licensed product manufactured by one of the largest pop culture retail designers in the world, BioWorld. Perfect back to product. Great for books, binders, and all your Minecraft toys. Ideal for travel, outdoors, summer camping, and just having fun. Sturdy backpack design. Measures approximately 16 inches height by 12 inches width by 3.5 inches deep. Constructed from durable 100% polyester. Adjustable straps and back are padded for extra comfort. Water bottle included. Lunch tote. Measures approximately 7 inches height by 9.5 inches width by 3.5 inches deep. Use the included gel bead ice pack. For video game fans, full-size multicolored backpack with detailed inspired design from Five Nights at Freddy's video game. Top reviews from the United States. Cheap in price, not in quality. The bag looks just like the picture. It and all the accessories came to us with zero imperfections. My son is in 4th grade, and it is big enough to store all his school stuff plus gym shoes and snowpants. All the zippers work perfectly. For a cheaper backpack, it's definitely worth the money.